how to add a virtual power button to iPhone home screen and lock screen. First, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Next, select Touch, then tap Assistive Touch. Now, turn on Assistive Touch by enabling the toggle at the top. You'll immediately see a floating button appear on your screen. This button stays available on both the home screen and the lock screen. To make it work as a power button, tap Customize Top-Level Menu. Select one of the existing icons or tap the plus button to add a new one. Then choose Lock Screen from the list of actions and tap Done. From now on, whenever you tap the Assistive Touch button and select Lock Screen, your iPhone will lock instantly, just like pressing the physical side or power button. This is especially useful if your physical button isn't working properly or if you simply want quicker access. That's it.